In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in ElevenLabs. If you spend a lot of time creating or editing audio, switching between light and dark mode can make a big difference for comfort and focus. Let's walk through it clearly so you can change the look of the interface in just a few clicks. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will work. Head to Google by typing its address into the bar at the top of your window, or by clicking the Google shortcut if you have one. In the Google search box, type ElevenLabs and press Enter. This will bring up the official site along with related pages. To keep things simple and safe, look for the result that clearly shows ElevenLabs as the official source. Click through to the ElevenLabs website. If you're brought to a landing page, you can proceed from there. If you're already in the app, that's fine too. The theme toggle is available right on the interface, so you don't need to dig into settings or menus. Once the page loads, glance toward the middle right area of the interface. You're looking for a small theme toggle, typically represented by sun and moon icons. This control is designed to be quick to find. The moon icon indicates dark mode, and the sun icon indicates light mode. Depending on the current theme, you might see one or the other highlighted. To switch themes, simply click the moon if you want dark mode, or click the sun if you want light mode. The change should apply instantly across the page. If you navigate to another section of the site, the preference usually carries over automatically. Some browsers also remember this choice for future visits, so the site opens in your preferred theme next time. If you don't see the interface change right away, give the page a quick refresh. Also, make sure you're viewing the main app page, not a static marketing page, when looking for the toggle. Occasionally, browser extensions that modify page appearance can hide small icons, so temporarily disabling those can help if the toggle is hard to find. And that's all there is to it. Open Google, search for ElevenLabs, go to the website, find the theme toggle on the middle right, and click the moon for dark or the sun for light. With that, your workspace will match your environment and your preferences, making it easier on your eyes and helping you stay productive. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated ElevenLabs theme.